is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on your Xbox One, and this is really easy to do. So on the home screen here, what we want to do is press the Xbox button, then tab on over to our profile, then select it. Then we want to go to where it says appear online. We can go to appear online, offline, or do not disturb. So we can do it through here. Otherwise, we can go to my profile. Then on the right, under welcome, we can go to appear online, and we'll have the option for offline, do not disturb. Otherwise, we can customize our profile or go to the privacy settings right there. Now, the third way that you can do it so people can't see you come online is very easy. Press the Xbox button, go to your profile, then go down to settings. Now go to where it says account, go to the right and go to privacy and online safety. Type in your passkey if you got one. Then go to Xbox privacy. Then go to view details and customize, and then go to online status and history. The first option is others can see if you're online. Decide who can see that you're online, which game or app you're using. So we can go to block right here. Otherwise, you can just have friends see that you're online. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.